In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a law of attraction parallel realities tip that is going to help you create your reality much more deliberately. Before I start, I just want to mention that I've created a brand new reality transurfing cheat sheet, which has the summary of all major reality transurfing concepts literally in one PDF, okay? And I'm going to be giving this away completely free to 2 people every single Monday. All you have to do to win this cheat sheet is comment down below the phrase I am and just give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, let's get right into the video. So when we are talking about parallel realities, you have to understand that it is all about energy. The energy that you are embodying, not next year, not next month, not next week, not even tomorrow, but right now. It is all based on your energy. What reality you manifest next, which lifeline you venture off onto, is entirely determined by the energy that you are embodying in your now moment. Regardless of how your circumstances on the outside look, the energy that you are embodying right now determines what is coming next. So let's set that as the foundation for this video, for the information about parallel realities that you're about to learn. Now I want you to build upon that foundation by thinking of, let's just say, 4 parallel realities right in front of you. In reality, these are actually infinite parallel realities. From this moment onwards, you have the ability to venture off onto an infinite number of alternative paths, alternative parallel realities. Okay, but for this example, let's just use 4, okay? And each one is represented by my finger. Now, all 4 of these realities, let's say 2 are positive, 2 are negative. All 4 of these realities have different versions of you. So the version of you that lives in this reality is different from the version of you that lives in the other reality. And so the version of you, each version of you that embodies a different type of energy, comes with a different corresponding reality that reflects back the person's energy. That version of you, that energy is reflected back and is like in tandem with the reality that it comes with. Okay, so now all 4 of these realities also vibrate for that reason at different frequencies, on different energies. Okay, so the circumstances on one reality are going to differ from the circumstances on the other reality based on their energy. So maybe in one reality, you are experiencing a pleasant experience. It's a much easier time. Your desires are coming into fruition much faster and much more effortlessly. Whereas on the other reality, things are just always going wrong. You can't tell why. And it's just like really negative and a complaining sort of mood. People even around you are just like a negative sort of type of people. So the thing that characterizes each reality is its own vibrational resonance, its own vibrational frequency. Now, to avoid one reality and to go on to the other reality, what you have to do is embody the energy of the reality that you want to manifest. See, a lot of people ask, right? It's like, why isn't this stuff working for me? Why isn't the law of attraction or reality transurfing working for me? Why do I continue to live the same type of reality again and again? And it's largely because we are always going towards our goals while embodying the energy of our current selves. So you think that, okay, my goal is over there and I'll be happy when I get over there. But right now I'm miserable, I'm unhappy, but I'm going to work really hard right now so that I eventually get over there. But see, in the process, what you are doing is you are continuously, even when you're working so hard on your dreams, you are continuously embodying the energy of a person who is not fulfilled, who is not happy, who is just in a negative sort of resonance. It's radiating negative energy. So because of that, no matter how hard you may work, you continue to manifest a reality. You continue to venture off onto a path, a lifeline, on which you again are just unhappy, unfulfilled. And maybe even like the outside a little bit gets better, right? Like maybe you manifest like a better job or a better relationship. Even in that sort of reality, you will still find yourself unhappy or unfulfilled. Or maybe the things that you desired and you got, right? Let's just say you manifested what you desired. Those things end up becoming the very things that create more unhappiness for you. Why? Simply because you never changed your energy right here in the now. You still kept embodying, but even when you were like chasing your dreams and pursuing them and taking action towards them, you still kept embodying a negative sort of energy, an unfulfilled energy, and that's what you were radiating. And so even when physical things in your life changed, the quality of your experience, the quality of your reality, the atmosphere of your reality didn't change. It remained the same because the center, the vibrational center that you are, was never shifted. So when we are talking about manifesting through parallel realities, first of all, it's not even that complicated. The main thing we have to always just resort to is, what energy am I embodying right now? Am I taking a lot of action from a foundation of inspiration, intuition, expansion, feeling good about myself, loving my life? Or am I taking a lot of action from negativity to avoid certain outcomes? From resistance, from non-acceptance. So the action that you could be taking could be completely the same, but just because one sort of action is inspired from resistance and negativity, and the other action, which is also just the same action, is inspired from feeling good, acceptance, inspiration, both these sorts of actions are going to manifest entirely different realities, of which the nature of those realities will be completely different. So, knowing this, always take action on your dreams, coming from a very abundant sort of energy. And you may be asking me, Sunny, how do I even accomplish that? Because I don't like my current circumstances. Here's the thing. Until you accept your current reality for what it is, by accepting, I just mean that accept it for what it is right now. It can be different in the future, but right now, it is what it is. It has already manifested. It can't change right now. It can change later, like as you work towards it, but it can't be different right now. Once you come to terms with that, and once you stop resisting your current circumstances, automatically the energy that you are radiating shifts. And now you are actually opening yourself up to a completely different experience of that same reality. Now you are opening yourself up to a completely different intelligence from flowing through you and creating the life and the experience that you actually want. So first, come to terms with what you are experiencing. If you are experiencing pain, poverty, suffering, whatever it is, the energy behind it will subside once you just come to terms with what it is right now and accept it. And then from that point onwards, appreciate your circumstances for what they are teaching you. Appreciate your circumstances for what they are setting you up to achieve and live and experience. And doing so, start taking action towards what it is that you do want. Don't try to shift to a parallel reality where you do have what you want by focusing on the realities that you want to avoid. Because your focus is constantly going towards the things that you want to avoid. Get rid of that. Instead, simply focus on what it is that you do want and take action towards it while feeling how you would be feeling on the reality that you want to be on. Right? So constantly ask yourself, who do I want to become? What does that person think every single day? Right? How does that person view life? How does he or she feel every single day? And then start to embody more of those feelings. Start to feel how you would be feeling if you were your ideal best self. because that ideal best self comes with its own reality attached to it. When you are feeling that way about yourself, when you are embodying that energy, naturally your reality starts to shift to the reality that reflects back to you how you feel, the energy that you are radiating. And that, my friend, is how you shift to a parallel reality that you like, by going to the source of the reality. Reality is a reflection of which you are the center, not you as in your body, you, the awareness, the state of being. So when you control your state of being deliberately and consciously and radiate only the energy that you actually want manifest, that you want reflected from reality, then reality has no choice but to reflect it back to you. Reality has no choice but to shift into a corresponding version that resonates with the energy that you are vibrating from your center. So go to the energy first. Forget about the things that you want or whatnot, or the reality. That's all reflection. That's great and all, but go to the energy. What kind of experience do you want? You may want like a car, right? But what does that car represent for you? How will you feel when you have that car? How is it gonna enhance your experience? And then start to feel that right now. Start to radiate that sort of energy as much as you can throughout your day. And naturally you will start to shift to the reality that you want to experience. Now, if you want to further learn how to shift to the reality of your choice and accelerate this process, do it faster, manifest your desires faster, I'm giving away a completely free masterclass right now, which is called Accelerated Reality Masterclass. The link is down below. Make sure to check that out. Okay, but other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below how you are going about this process, what you are actually trying to achieve, and what energy you are trying to embody. Okay, I would love to know about your journey. Other than that, just subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.